Some other interesting cases for ultrasound. So in this case, we're out in the field, we're listening with an airborne sensor, and we're hearing this noise coming out of a belt sheave. So squeaky, some impacting going on, all evidence of lack of lubrication, some contamination in here as well. So this belt sheave is starting to wear out. So very easy for us to identify this, pick it up. Again, we're filtering out anything audible and only picking up ultrasonic noise because ultrasound is so localized. We can very quickly and easily pinpoint where the noise is coming from and provide that information back. We can see in the waveform here all kinds of impacting being caused as this is turning, and a lot of it being caused by the contamination that was within this belt sheave.